What's going on, guys? Alec here. Hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I want to speak about why Amazon FBA is not for everybody. And you're probably looking at the title of this video and you're like a little confused of why I'd be saying that. And I just want to clear this up and explain this to you guys because it really isn't for everybody because of the aspect and the nature of it, just entrepreneurship in general. And if you're new to my channel or if you're new to entrepreneurship and Amazon, you probably want to start a passive income online. And if you're anything like me, in the beginning, when I first started a few years ago, I was just really driven and motivated, and I wanted to get to success and I wanted to succeed. And really, the biggest change and the mindset shift, guys, that I had that many people struggle with is you have to get your mindset right. And like all the books that us as entrepreneurs read, like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Millionaire Fastlane, all those types of books, guys, are so important because they actually reprogram your brain to be an entrepreneur and to really get yourself in the right mindset. Because, guys, this is business and entrepreneurship, and selling on Amazon is not always 100% easy, guys. Failed products, guys. When I started, I had 3 failed products till I had a home run product. And guys, it may take you some time to get that product, but you just always have to have that mindset and discipline. So let's just say like you're doing product research, and when I did product research in the beginning, and when I still do it, it could sometimes take a few hours or a few weeks, and you really have to be able to put your everything to the side, your entire life when you're doing all these things, because it takes an immense amount of mindset and power to actually focus on the things that you want to achieve and accomplish, because so many things can get in the way of outside life. Maybe your friends are asking you to go out, hang out, and chill, but you know that you want to get this product, and you know that product research is extremely important for you to even start getting the ball rolling and contacting suppliers and whatever else. With all these things put in place and said, you need to have an extreme discipline and mindset. And once I realized that a few years ago, and I want to share that with you guys because you're probably in the same situation that I was in the beginning. You really have to get this through your head and through your mindset that it is all about discipline and focus. Things do not come as easy as you think. You actually have to put in an immense amount of work. And if you really can't handle that, guys, then maybe entrepreneurship isn't for you. But if you can, and I'm sure you are because you're watching this channel right now and watching my videos about Amazon and private label, and if you can and you think that entrepreneurship is right for you and you have that grit and that drive and mindset to push forward even when things aren't 100% perfect, then entrepreneurship may be for you. And if you do follow it through and really visualize what you want, you can really achieve great success. And even in the beginning, guys, with Amazon and private label, that's what I teach. And in my course that will be coming out very shortly, the Amazon Entrepreneurs course, I teach everything from A to Z about starting a profitable business. And one of the things is product research. And the business that we do, private label, is really front loaded. So you have to be able to look and see where you want to go and hold off that success for maybe a month or 2 months because you're not going to see immediate results from your work. And you could even have a product that fails, 2 products. Like I said before, I had 3 products that failed before I got to a winning product. Through all this, guys, you have to have thick skin and you really have to be able to put in your mind that you're going to succeed. And as you learn and you go through the processes, you're going to figure yourself out and funnel through all of the things that worked, things that didn't work. And even with a mentor, even with a course, you're still going to have to figure out your own proxy and internalize all the information you're taking in and be able to make it work for yourself. And then once you guys have that discipline, that mindset that you guys need to succeed in entrepreneurship and Amazon FBA, because this is the business that completely changed my life, and that's what I've been doing for 5 years, you will succeed because you will prove to yourself that it's possible. You will gain the confidence. That's one of the most important things, guys, because once you get that first product, you're confident and you know what worked, and all you have to do is repeat that same process over again and to get your second product that wins and your third product that wins and really just continue that all out. So that's really what I wanted to explain to you guys. And I just want to say that there are so many limiting beliefs that can go through somebody's head when they're going through these processes and starting their business, starting their Amazon business, and in entrepreneurship. There are so many things. I hear so many times that Amazon FBA is dead. Guys, I've heard that for the last 3 years. I mean, Amazon is not dead, and they are continuing to grow at an exponential rate. You just have to be smart enough to find products that nobody else is looking for, and you just have to be smart and react with the changing landscape, guys. Nothing is dead. Things just become outdated, and you just have to figure out new ways to get the goals that were working previously. But nothing is dead, guys. Those are just thoughts and limiting beliefs that you're telling yourself. So if you have one failed product or a launch goes wrong, you don't follow out a launch perfectly, and it doesn't go exactly as planned, there's always a cause to an effect. So maybe something went wrong along the way, something was out of place. That's why I always say, guys, get a mentor, get a course. If I had something like that when I started, I would have shortcutted myself right to success from the beginning instead of having to do trials and errors and test all these different things to see what works and what doesn't. Even with the failures I had, I never gave up because I knew it was possible. People were making thousands per month on Amazon, multiple 6 figures per year, 7 figures, even 8 figures, and I knew it was possible. And with that in mind, I just never gave up because I knew where I wanted to go. And I want to share that with you guys. And that discipline, guys, you really need some discipline to get through this business. And if things do go wrong, you have to keep pushing forward and know that it will work out as long as you follow the correct processes and you know what you're doing properly. And those are all limiting beliefs that you guys tell yourselves, and you have to really just break, because when you do, that's when you start to expand your mind and expand your visions, and you could really gain traction. Guys, it only takes one win and one boost of confidence to get the ball rolling. And in your business, once you get that one win, you will understand that it's possible. So then you're going to go for product 2, 3, 4, and whatever else you do is just going to build upon that. And all it takes, guys, is one step. So in entrepreneurship, you just have to get moving first. You can't just sit on the sidelines, guys, and watch videos endlessly, video after video, because you're never going to take action. You have to just start. If you don't start, you're never going to figure it out and get to your goals and get to where you want. So there are so many driving factors of why you guys want to start this business. Maybe it's to break free from the 9 to 5. I know that's why I did it, and a few other factors. But really, this was really engraved in me since I was a young kid. I knew I wanted to do entrepreneurship, and e-commerce really just came to me, and I really took off doing this over the last few years. And I'm here to really share that all with you guys, because I made this agreement that if I was ever to have success, that I was going to share this with the world. And if you're watching my channel and you're on my channel, I want to thank you for being here, supporting me, and really taking the action to change your lives, because that's what I want to do, something more than myself. So if you guys really think you can are cut out for entrepreneurship, and from the title of this video, entrepreneurship is not for everybody, I really think that you guys have to audit yourselves, look yourselves in the mirror, and think, do I really want to do this? Do I really have the discipline and the mindset and the sheer fortitude to keep pushing through regardlessly of the obstacles that get in the way? Because once you guys realize that, I'm telling you, your world is going to open up and you will succeed and you will hit all your goals you have in entrepreneurship, in Amazon, and in life in general. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you do not miss any amazing videos that I'm putting out with completely packed full of knowledge and value that's going to help you guys in your businesses. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.